Welcome back children. I hope you all doing well. In previous video, we have learned practice using paint part 2. I hope you all understood the lesson. Now, in this video, we will study more about MS Paint. MS Paint is commonly used to draw, color and even edit images. These images in majority are drawings or designs created using various tools in MS Paint. To start MS Paint, click on Start button, click on All Programs, click on Accessories, then click on Paint. The MS Paint window appears with a blank file. Microsoft Paint window. Many of the tools you use in MS Paint are found in the ribbon, which is available on top of the Paint window. The ribbon contains the following tabs: File tab, Home tab, View tab. By default, when we open MS Paint, the Home tab appears. To access any tab, click on the tab. The Home tab has 5 groups that lets you. Number 1, cut, copy and paste. Number 2, select the part or whole image, resize and rotate the image. Number 3, use tools such as pencil, brush, erasers, etc. Number 4, shapes for drawing and coloring. Number 5, colors group with a color palette to select the background and foreground color of your choice. Using the tools group. The tools group of MS Paint contains many options that you can use to create a picture. Using the different tools, you can create freehand drawings with the pencil and color them using the Fill with Color option. To use any of the tools in the tools group, just click on that tool. The table below lists the different tools available in MS Paint. Pencil and use to draw free from shapes. Eraser to erase mistakes made while drawing or coloring. Fill with color to fill an area in a picture with color. Text to insert text into the picture files. Color picker to pick a color from one area of the drawing and use it somewhere else. Magnifier to zoom into the particular part of the picture. Using the text tool. Let's say you have made a beautiful drawing and you want to add a title to it. Here's how you will do it. To use the text tool, number 1, click on the text tool from the tools group. Number 2, bring the pointer to the required area in your drawing and drag the pointer where you want to insert text. A dotted rectangle will be visible as shown in figure. Simultaneously, a new tab text will appear on the ribbon as shown in figure. The text tab lets you format the text by choosing the font, size and styles such as bold, underline, etc. Number 4, type the desired title, Beautiful Morning. Working with colors group. The colors group of the MS Paint window is used as a color palette to choose and add color to the drawing. Color 1 and color 2 boxes. You can set colors by clicking on the required box. Color 1 box. It is used to select the color for drawing lines, borders or shapes and for text. Color 2 box. It is used to select the color for filling an enclosed shape and the background of the text boxes. The table below lists the different color tools available in MS Paint. Fill with color used to fill an area or a shape in a picture with color. Airbrush tool to spray color, which enables us to give an airbrush effect. Color picker to pick a color from one area of the drawing and use it somewhere else. Editing in MS Paint. Now that you know how to draw and color using MS Paint, let's learn how to edit the picture. Making changes to a picture like cutting, copying or pasting a part of an image is referred to as editing. The Home tab provides all the options required to make such changes in a pictures. The table below lists different editing tools available in MS Paint. Cut, used to cut a picture or a part of it just like the scissor. Copy, to create a copy of the picture. Paste, to paste the copied or cut part picture to your desired place. Using the select tool, it enables us to select a part of the picture. You may select a part of the picture to move or copy it. To select a part of the picture, number 1, click on the select tool. Number 2, drag the mouse pointer diagonally to define the area of section. Number 3, you will see a dotted rectangle around the selected area called the selection box. This indicates that the area is selected as seen in figure. There is another selection tool called Freeform Select tool that enables you to select a freeform area. So, if you have drawn one eye in MS Paint as shown in figure, instead of drawing the other eye, let's create a copy of it. To do this, use the select tool to select the area of the picture having the eye as shown in figure. Number 2, click on the copy option to copy the image. Number 3, then click on the paste option to paste the image. Number 4, the copy of the eye will be posted in the top left corner. Drag the copy of the eye and paste it next to the existing picture of eye. Now show a pair of the eyes of the cartoon's character. In the same way, you can use the cut command in place of the copy command to move a part of the picture from one area to another. Let's say you have drawn a star and you want to resize it using the resize tool. Number 1, draw a star using the shapes group. Number 2, select it using the select tool. Number 3, click on the resize button. The resize and skew dialog box appears as shown in figure. Number 4, enter the desired numbers to resize and skew the image and click OK when you are done using the rotate tool. The rotate tool lets you rotate or flip the image. Let us now rotate the star. To do so, you need to: number 1, click on the select tool. Number 2, drag the mouse pointer diagonally to define the area of selection. Number 3, click on the rotate button to rotate the image right or left by 90 degree or 180 degree, or flip horizontal or vertically. Exiting MS Paint. We have learned how to save a file. After you have finished drawing and coloring, it is a good habit to always save your file. Click on the Save or the Save As option in the File menu and save your drawing in the required folder. When you finish working with MS Paint, we just close it to exit from MS Paint. Number 1, click on the File menu. Number 2, click on the Exit command. Number 3, if all the changes made to the file are saved, MS Paint is closed. Otherwise, it displays a warning dialog box which prompts you to save the changes. Number 4, click on the S button to save the changes and exit MS Paint. Number 5, we can also exit the applications by clicking on the Close button. On the top right corner of the application window. Note, MS Paint does not have a separate option to close a file that is open. To close a file, we have to exit from the MS Paint application. With this, we end with this chapter. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, thank you. Stay safe. Bye-bye.